Now, in previous lecture, we covered the shop and product schema using GraphQL. Now, we'll be heading over to Fauna dashboard, and here, all you need to do is create your account. You can create it for free, and once you're logged in, you'll be heading over to databases. Now, here, you can see that I've created a database named Fauna Shop. You can just click on Create Database to create a new database, give it a name over here, and ensure that it's in all small letters. And here, if you want to enable backups, you can do that. I have disabled it for the purposes of this demonstration. So once you have created a database, you click on that and you'll be provided with this SQL editor. What I've done over here is I've not used this shell as of now. I've just created two collections over here, as you can see, shop and product. Now, in order to create collections, you can either click on this and click on this plus icon to create a collection, or you can also switch to the version 4 dashboard, which gives you the older view of the dashboard. And here you can see I can click on the database, and then I have this collections coming up over here. Click on new collection to create a new one. So you just click on the plus icon over here, provide it a name, and that's the only mandatory field that you want, and you can give that and click on create. So I have created two, shop and product, in this way. Now, after creating the collections, we need to create documents for each collection. So here, when you select any of the collection items, like over here I've selected shop, down below you'll find the record that is created for this particular collection. So here, if I click on this ID, I'll be provided with the name, description, the cover image, the products in this shop. As of now, it's all null, and then the owner ID. So how we can create a new document? You just go ahead and click on create document. Here you need to provide the key value pair. So you have the user interface, and you just need to put the field like name and then the value for that. Click on new field to add new attributes to this particular document, and once that's done, you need to click on create. In version 4 dashboard, if you go and click on any collection, here you can see that you're getting a JSON view of the same. So here I can click on this and click on edit over here. I'll be provided with this JavaScript notation, name, description, cover, product, and owner ID. I can edit it over here, click on save to save it, or I can also go ahead and click on delete to delete it. Click over here, save, and go back to the previous item. So here I can just go back to shop collection, create a new document over here, and here you will be required to create it using JSON format, but with the newer version or interface, you will be able to do that by making use of the user interface that they have provided. So that way we can easily create database, collection, and then document within each collection. And the next one will be looking at how we can connect FaunaDB and Next.js so that we can see all these items in the application itself.